Girlfriend, are you an introvert that is passionate about her product or service? Well, I have the perfect fit for you. It is a LinkedIn audio room. And in this video, I'm going to show you, or really tell you, why you want to use a LinkedIn audio room with the quickness. We'll see you on the other side. Hi there, my name is Ingafay, and I'm an authenticity strategist. And in this video, I am going to tell you about LinkedIn audio rooms. First and foremost, I am going to share with you what a LinkedIn audio room is. Secondly, I'm then going to tell you a burning question of, is the LinkedIn audio room for everyone? And last but definitely not least, I'm going to actually show you how to create a LinkedIn audio room from your LinkedIn profile. Let's do this, shall we? Well, I know many of you probably know that LinkedIn is definitely my happy place. So when I found out about the LinkedIn audio room, I was just dazed, glazed, and amazed and had to share it with you guys. So what is it? What is actually an audio room? Well, in a generic way, I'm going to say that it's a podcast that's not actually recorded. So what it is an audio room where nobody sees you, you are only heard, that you can share with people in your connections network or people outside of your connections. And it gives you an opportunity to build that know, like, and trust factor with your connections, in addition to expand your network above and beyond the people that you already know. It gives you an opportunity to nurture relationships with your connections that you may not have attempted to nurture yet. And then it's an online platform that is not recorded. So for those people that don't interact with you live, they miss out on what you got to say. So it gives that sense of urgency that people that want to hear what you have to offer are really urgently impressed by what you have to say, in addition to making them have that sense of urgency. They have to do it now or they will miss out. So it's a great opportunity for you really to share your passion and more about you as a person so people can get to know you. So have you tried a LinkedIn audio room before? If you're a LinkedIn virgin girl, I will highly, highly, highly recommend that you sit in one so you can just see how it is and see how easy it is so you can do it yourself. So the next question I wanted to answer is the LinkedIn audio room, can it be used by everybody? Well, girlfriend, I want to tell you, yes, you can participate as a person on LinkedIn in anybody's audio room. When you create your own audio room, you can send it out via a post, you can send it out on a DM, and you can actually make it an event for it, which we'll talk about later. When you see an audio room that you're interested in, all you have to do is just click the join button. And as a result of you clicking the join button, you would then have access to the audio room. Now, I can tell you that I've been only a couple of audio rooms and I've actually done one myself, but I have heard that sometimes it can be a little glitchy. So if you're having problems with it, just know that it may just be technology not working at that time, but don't let that deter you from having your own, because I think it's something that an introvert would just love to do, because it allows you to talk about your product or service like you love to do. And then you're doing it amongst people that you know, like, and trust most of the time when you're doing it. You are considered the expert and nobody can see you. They can just hear you, which is another benefit for those people that don't like video. So if this is something that you think you want to indulge in, I highly, highly recommend that you definitely do this. So before I go on and show you exactly how to create your own event and share some requirements with you, I want to remind you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We upload a video every Thursday for your viewing pleasure, and we don't want you to miss a beat. So be sure to subscribe. So how do you create an audio room on LinkedIn? Before I show you exactly how to create it, I wanted to go over some brief requirements that you will need to have for you to actually do this. Now, I want you to know that you can create an audio room on your business page or your personal profile. The only requirements is, number one, that you have either 150 followers on your business page or you have 150 connections on your personal page. So that's first and foremost. You must also abide by the professional community guidelines here on LinkedIn as well. So if you've had any kind of violations, girl, they're not going to let you do it. I'm pretty sure you're probably okay though. So the thing that you're going to want to do is create an event. Now, many of you have probably done this in the past. And the great thing about LinkedIn, when you create an event, there are basically several events that you can create. You can create an audio event. You can create a live event, like maybe you're doing a live video on the platform, or you can create an event that's offline. So it's almost like a marketing kind of thing that you can do. What you're going to do is create an event on LinkedIn for the audio room. And I am going to show you exactly how to do this in this video. Hey there, girlfriend. I am about to jump onto an audio room, and I wanted to show you how easy it is to actually get into an audio room. I thought this would be the perfect time to show you this. Now, as you can see, I don't even have lipstick on, and that's like I told you before, that's the beauty of the audio room. So I'm going to share my screen with you really quick. So we're going to go to the screen. Okay, so this is the actual audio room here. I'm getting ready to start it. You see where it says join. So once I hit that, it will be ready to go. So I'm going to go and join and then say hello to everyone. See how it's going to let me in. Pre-live. See, and all I would have to do now is just hit go live. So I wanted to show that to you really quickly so you can see how easy it is to start your audio room. I'm already on mute, and granted, it doesn't start for another 4 minutes, but I wanted to show you how easy it is to just do what I just did. Create the audio room, hit join button, and get it moving. Okay. So I hope that video was a benefit for you to see how easy it is. So if you are an audio room virgin, that you will go out and participate in an audio room. And then after you do it yourself, then want to actually create your own for your particular passion or business that you're in. I think the audio room is really an introvert's dream, because you are seen. You are heard and not seen. You don't have to worry about your makeup. You can do this if you just came home from the gym. You don't have to worry about your hair. None of that's going to be seen. They're just going to hear your voice. And then you can just share your passion and a little bit about yourself, and then really build more connections and further expand your network on LinkedIn so you can have more collaboration partners and referral sources, which you guys know I am all about. So I wanted to also let you know I do have a guide on the do's and don'ts of the LinkedIn audio room. So I wanted to recommend that if you are interested in that guide, by all means, type the word guide in the comments of this video, and I will send that guide over to you. And as always, thanks for watching, and bye for now.